For more than 60 years, the Highway 322 bridge over the Little Tallahatchie River in Crowder, Mississippi, has served as a vital link, supporting everything from passenger vehicles and RVs to heavy trucks and farm equipment. But decades of steady use had taken their toll. The bridge deck showed signs of severe wear, cracking, rutting, spalling, and compressed joints, all pointing to the need for urgent repair. To restore this critical structure, the Mississippi Department of Transportation partnered with Southern Road and Bridge, a trusted contractor known for strengthening and stabilizing critical infrastructure across the southeastern United States and beyond. Since 2012, their work has kept roads open, bridges strong, and communities safely connected. Southern Road and Bridge selected FasTrac Hybrid Polymer Concrete for the overlay, an innovative high-performance material engineered for rapid application, outstanding bond strength, and long-term durability. Each lane was completed in just 48 minutes and reopened to traffic in only 2 hours, a pace made possible by Southern Road and Bridge's precision, planning, and execution. To make this one-day transformation possible, Southern Road and Bridge deployed a seamless system of specialized equipment, including a volumetric mixer truck for precise on-site blending, a custom paver for even distribution, and an aggregate spreader to apply the friction layer for enhanced safety. Southern Road and Bridge ensured a uniform finish, from the first pour to the final pass. The result is more than a restored bridge. It's a safer, smoother, longer-lasting connection for the community, one that's built to endure the next generation of traffic and weather with no expected maintenance for the next 10 years, and a 30% cost savings over conventional alternatives. The entire project was completed in just one day, a testament to the capabilities of a contractor committed to quality and efficiency. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about concrete. It's about the people who rely on this bridge every single day: families, friends, farmers, and truck drivers. Thanks to the expert work of Southern Road and Bridge, this structure is safer, stronger, and ready to serve the Crowder community for decades to come. FasTrac Hybrid Polymer Concrete. Designed for durability. Engineered for excellence. To learn more about how this groundbreaking material can transform your next project, visit us at FasTracProducts.com.